again. This is the second video. I know I haven't been doing it for a long time, but today I'm going to show you a little bit of mine and my brother's helicopters. So let's go over here to my brother's helicopter.
Woohoo!
And now look at mine. Woo! It's a beast. An absolute beast. So Charlotte, can you hold that for us?
Yeah.
Oh, do it
God,
on.
I'm scared.
Hang on.
It's massive.
On. Ready?
No.
Beast.
Now on the bus.
Don't crash!
Two specs.
I wish mine had bullets.
Do it higher so it's in the sky, Sean, I can't see. There you go.
I wish I had bullets on mine, could I just shoot you down? It'd be hilarious.
Right.
I just like, pew, pew.
See how high it goes?
Eh.
Whoa, okay, not too high!
I'm gonna fall.
No! Bring it down slowly!
Oh my god!
Well done, Sean.
That was so high!
Jojo, not too close.
I don't really want it to go in them trees, but
Oh, stop.
yeah.
Wow.
So, am I on me? So yeah, that is this video. Sorry it's a bit short, but if you like me and my brother doing helicopters, we'll be sure to do more stunts and stuff. If you subscribe down below and comment down below and subscribe and say that what tricks you might want to try with our helicopters, and if you wanted to do anything else. So see you later, guys.